Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the front brake pads on Iveco Daily. These are the front brakes and we're going to be replacing the brake pads. In order to replace the brake pads, we need to remove two bolts holding the brake caliper. To remove those bolts, there is two caps that we need to remove. That's one of the caps, we need to pull it out, and the other cap is on the bottom. And the bolt is in there. It's a size 7 Allen key. Next, we're going to remove the two bolts holding the brake caliper. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to turn the whole wheel to this side so that it will have better access to the brake caliper. And with the screwdriver, we're going to push the brake caliper against the brake disc so that the brake cylinder goes back into normal position, and this way it will be easier to take the brake caliper out. That's the brake caliper out. Now we're going to put it somewhere, and we're going to replace the brake pads. Next, we need to push the two brake cylinders on the brake caliper all the way to the back. This is the brake caliper, the brake piston compression tool that I'm using. First, I'm going to push one of the pistons, then I'm going to push the other one. Next, we're going to put the new brake pads back on. These are the springs that I'm going to be replacing as well. And now I'm going to put the brake pads back on. Next, I'm going to put the brake caliper back on and put on the bolts and tighten them. After tightening the bolts, we're going to put the two caps back on, and then we're going to replace the brake pads on the other side. Replacing them on the other side is exactly the same procedure. Afterwards, when you go into the car, press the brake pedal a couple of times so that the brake cylinder returns to normal position. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.